Hi guys, Celai here, and back to another beauty series video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Kojic acid serum. Alright, so quick story. There's this really talented artist that has drawn a couple pictures of me, and so he drew this picture, and I decided to put it on my shirt, and honestly, it looks really good. So you guys can get this shirt at thechattychick.com, link in my bio. Alright, so anyways, if you do not know what kojic acid is, it is basically the end product of fermented malted rice, or basically a Japanese sake. What kojic acid is mainly popular for is that it helps with hyperpigmentation. So there's an amino acid called tyrosine, and that is what's mainly responsible for melanin. And what kojic acid does is that it blocks the tyrosine from forming or producing. So that is going to help with the hyperpigmentation on your face and the discoloration. So some of the benefits of it is that it is anti-fungal, anti-bacterial, anti-inflammatory. Basically, it's just anti-acne. And so it is also an antioxidant. So I've also seen a lot of people when they use kojic acid, they've said that their acne has improved by a lot. So basically, it helps with both hyperpigmentation and acne. And since this is a serum, we're going to be using hyaluronic acid. It is basically a clear gel substance mainly produced in your eyes and joints, but it's also produced in your skin. And so it could be used in like many different ways, such as like topically. It's like on your skin basically. It's like it helps with healthier, supple skin. It also speeds up wound healing. You also have pill form, which can help relieve joint pain and soothe acid reflux. Then you also have, like in eye drops, if you have dry eyes, you'll probably see it if you look at the ingredients. But the most popular one, and you probably don't even know about this one, is that it's in facial fillers. Like if they get their lips or their like cheeks done, that is what they will inject into them. So a lot of people have been asking how to dissolve kojic acid. So you do not want to put it in like a cream or a lotion because it will not dissolve and you will not get the benefits of it. So you have to dissolve it to activate it. I've seen some people boil their liquids, but then I also seen this one knowledgeable YouTuber that says that your liquid has to be between 74 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to be doing that using the double boiler method. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna pour our boiling water in, but make sure you be careful because it's boiling. Then I'm going to put my aloe vera in there. It is cold because it's been in the refrigerator. Let me grab the top actually. So I'm gonna put that in, just let it cool down. Then you can use rose water or a alcohol-free witch hazel, but we just preferred to use aloe vera because we already had it. So now we're going to be using a thermometer to check the temperature. Yeah. Okay, it's 66 degrees Fahrenheit. So it should be good now. Is this open? Are you sure? Okay. So this is the kojic acid. We're gonna be putting 15 milliliters. Yeah, this is the 15 milliliters. So we're gonna be doing a 1 level scoop of this. Okay. Okay. All right, we got our 1 level scoop. All right, so we got that done. Now, for the hyaluronic acid, we're gonna have to do about 6 level scoops about this, because you know that's what makes it a serum, or just however, it depends on how thick you want, really. So if you want it thinner, you add less, and if you want it thicker, you just add more. Okay, so that's our level 1 scoop. Okay, 1. How much was that? Okay, that was 6. Okay. I don't know if my fingers are big enough for this. So this is what it looks like. So you can kind of see that it's still like very thin, because it probably hasn't gotten the time to thicken up yet. Probably because it's also still really warm right now. So by tomorrow it should have been very thick. So this is what it looks like. Definitely still very thin right now, but it's all right. So yeah. It'll thicken up tomorrow as it starts to cool down. I also added a couple more scoops of the hyaluronic acid, because I actually like mine like really thick. So yeah. So make sure you store this into a dark container, because after about 2 weeks, it will start to oxidize, and you should also use it all within about 2 weeks. That's good. Okay. So I'm gonna have to put these back here. So it's still quite thin right now. So I'm just gonna put some on right now. Wait. Oh. Okay. So I put it on the side. Oh, okay. Still, yeah, not thick, but it'll get thick later. Well, yeah. And that's how you make a kojic acid serum. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever used kojic acid and what were your thoughts. Alright, bye!